Hello everyone. Today I am going to deliver the uh, detailed description of this seed treatment. And as we know, being the part of seed technology, it is a necessary step uh, in seed processing, and there are several treatments are carried on the seeds, different species also, just to protect them from fungicide or insecticidal infestation before storage. Okay, if they are even being used even after that processing, then they need some treatment just to protect them against these diseases and insects in during sowing or after sowing also. Okay, before they germinate in the soil. Then as the seeds may be infected during harvesting, collection time, extraction and cleaning, processing, etc. During these timing, there may also chance of the infection of seed, uh, because the tools and machines those are used earlier may be contaminated during these operations by earlier seed lots also. Moreover, seed injuries making them susceptible to the insect pest and disease infestation also. So there are some advantages of seed treatment, being uh, once if going for treatment, then it will definitely control seed-borne diseases. It will protect the seed from soil-borne disease also. Seed treatment will definitely improve the germination of seeds. Uh, the treatment also protect the seeds against pest and disease during storage. This seed treatment reduces the cost of seed production, that is the cost of spraying, dusting and various other things also during the production of seed. Then it also minimize the insecticidal attacks on seed. And there are different kind of seed treatment, those are used on different species also. So that's why divided into several divisions. Not one treatment is specific, generally used on all species actually. The different species need different kind of treatments. Okay, so the first category we have here, treatment carried out for controlling the insect pest and diseases. Okay, and first one is seed disinfestation treatment, and spores, pupae are present on the seed surface and their removal are known as seed disinfestations. Okay, it can be uh, uh, by soaking the seeds in hot water, sometime by sun drying also, by acid scarification also. There are several treatment to do or to remove these infestations. Okay, presence of mycelium and insect inside the tissue of seed are also removed in this operation. Okay, then what are the method being used under this category? And first one is mechanical treatment and proper cleaning of seed with respect to dirt. Moist seeds are susceptible to fungal incidents, reducing mechanical injuries. Damaged, diseased and infected seeds are removed from the seed lot. Okay, uh, what are then physical treatment? These are the seeds are dried up to safer moisture level, as I have mentioned in earlier slide also. Safe storage conditions for seed. Sun drying is sometimes beneficial to remove loose spot pink disease and their spores and pupae also. Hot water treatment is generally used to remove bacterium culture. Okay, then saline water is also used to remove certain diseases in some species. Then we have stem treatment. Okay, just to remove these myceliums or pupae on the seed surface also. Then we have next category, that is chemical treatment, or chemicals are used in different form actually. These may be in the used in the form of dust, in the form of liquid solution, in the form of slurry treatment, sometime in the form of sprays also. Okay, the dusting for surface infection, chemicals used in the powder medium. Those are mixed with seed in powder is mixed in with the seed in a rotating drum before storage to kill the pathogen, insect pest, etc. Chemicals or fungicides used in this method are agrosan, cyresan, hexan, thiram, captan, bordeaux mixture, phytolone, zeram, GN, BHC, DDT, and several others. Okay. Then we have liquid treatment and chemicals used in the form of spray or mist on the seed, and seeds are soaked in the solution for some time. This method is used for systemic infection, as the mycelium spores or pupae are inside the seed and within the tissues. That's why this treatment is more useful in that case. The disease inside tissues of the seed, that is known as systemic infection. Okay, and chemicals used in the form of solution will be same as mentioned here also. Then we have slurry treatment. Seeds are dipped or merged in the soap like solution of these chemicals, and fungicides used here are 2 to 5% solution of formalin for Tika disease, 2% solution of Blitox 50 for damping of diseases. Okay, then we have mist treatment, and chemicals used on the seed in the form of mist. And then we have coating of seeds. Uniform coating of chemicals on the seed also help in free flowing, besides the treatment or protection against fungus and insect also. Okay, then we have fumigation treatment and use of fungicide, insecticide in the gaseous form during storage at normal temperature condition, but changes to toxic when it or this gas may mixed with air also. The methyl bromide, ethylene dichloride, and carbon tetrachloride are used in the gaseous form to treat the seeds. The all are used for 24 hours, and phostoxin is used for 5 days in the godowns, okay, or storage rooms. Then we have second category, that is the treatment carried out for promotion of germination, and the first category of this is treatment for breaking seed dormancy, and it is being discussed in the detailed chapter as seed dormancy. Or then we have here seed priming treatment, and the controlled hydration or soaking in tap water of seed for a given period, that is 12 hour, 24 hour, 36 hour, 48 hours also, so that the pre-germinative metabolic activities are stimulated in the seed without active emergence of the radicle, that is known as seed priming. And it should be used before sowing only in arid, semi-arid conditions. Low rainfall, poor soil, low quality of seeds are the cases where this kind of seed priming treatment is used. Okay, then we have bacterium culture, and agitobacter is the agent that is inoculated through soil from outside or from the natural condition of forest or agriculture field, where the leguminous trees are growing out, or soil beneath them is collected for this purpose, and brought in the nursery beds for fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, which is used by plants in direct soluble form, and that is nitrate, and it also produces some growth promoter substances as well as some biofungicides also. That is the role of bacterium culture for growing the seeds during in nursery. Okay, then we have chilling treatment for this category, and some species from high elevation areas just requires chilling treatment before sowing for their optimum germination, or that is after ripening effect, actually just to complete the metabolic activities in seed as they are habituated to the colder temperature, and they just need chilling treatment before sowing, and that is it will result in the activation of metabolic process with onset of spring or summers. For example, Xanthozylum armatum and Surya robusta, these are the example of this chilling treatment or stratification treatment. Okay, then we have third category, that is treatment to facilitate easy seed sowing, or what are the treatment used herein are simple. First one is removal of coverings or coat from the seed. Some seed have hairs, fibers, and wings, and these are chaffy actually in nature, and those obstruct the easy sowing. Therefore, should be removed before sowing, and that will make easy for free flowing or free sowing of the seeds. Then we have seed coating, next treatment, and seeds are soaked, merged in the substance having fungicide, insecticide, and some nutritional elements to make seed free flowing during sowing and to help during germination also. Then we have encrustation, and this encrustation is the layering or coating of desirable substances on whole seed, that is known as incrustation. Okay, and this treatment is generally used for delaying the germination, and shape of seed will remain same during sowing also. Then we have next treatment under this category, that is seed pelleting, or this is again the coating of fungicide, insecticide, and some nutritive substances on the seeds for various purposes, as to protect against insecticide, fungicide also, and just to help in free flow sowing, and just to enhance germination, just to provide supplementary nutrition to germinating seeds. Okay, shape of seed after this treatment will remain uniform or spherical or rounded, and this treatment facilitate the protection of seed from insect pathogen, stimulate uh, and provide the nutrition for newly germinated seedlings also, and make the seed easy for free flowing sowing as mentioned. Okay, this treatment is used for small sized or damaged or broken and light weighted seeds, and the desired substances here to make such soup like solution are just clay, limestone, CaCO3, talcum powder, gum, gelatinous wax, etc. to form a pellet. Okay, and besides this, calcium oxide and peroxides are also used for pelleting under flooding condition to provide oxygen supply to the seeds or to the germinating seeds. Then we have last category, that is treatment for improving the market quality of seed, and this include the coloring of seed, that is done after various needful treatments to get them in their original color. Seed polishing is also done to avoid the rough surface and protection of seed from diseases, etc. For marketing purpose. Okay, and this is the end of this topic. Hope you all understand the matter discussed herein. Thank you.